Okay, I'm going to try and do a quick video on how to find a missing side when you're given the angle and you're given one or the other side um, using these trigonometric functions. And then it's basically going backward or using the sine, the actual ratio, to find a missing side. So we know that that angle A, the sine of angle A would be the ratio of this opposite side over the hypotenuse. So I'm going to say sine, and I'm going to leave this alone for right now, is going to be some unknown number over 10. Okay, and what I want to say now is that, well, the sine of angle A, well, the angle A is 30 degrees, so we can put that 30 degrees in. That's the new piece that we're talking about. This is what we're moving into. This is what's going to help us later on to find that side. Now, this is a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. And when we learned before is that it was x, 2x, and that weird root 3 garbage that we threw into the mix. So don't worry so much about the times root 3 piece. What I really want you to focus on right now is just this x being half of that, right? And when I showed you earlier the unit circle and how this really worked out as this being a half and this being root 3 over 2 and this being 1, I meant to bring it here. So we know, and we're going to know from now on, that the sine of 30 equals 1/2. But we don't even need to know that right now. But from now on, just know that. I want to solve this as an algebraic equation. And basically what this says is that if I need to solve for x, this right here is one whole quantity. The sine of 30 is a value. It has a value. And if you put it into a calculator, if you typed 30 and you turn your phone sideways and type 30 and hit the sine button, you'll see 0.5. If you want to pause this and do that now, that's fine. But I'm going to go through this again. So this is a whole quantity, and x is being divided by 10. If we multiply both sides by that 10, and I'm going to move this just so I can do that, and multiply this side by 10, that cancels that out. And so all we have is 10 times the sine of 30 equals our unknown side. Now, I know this. I can pull up my phone and show you. It's going to take me an hour and a half to do it because I've got my finger over the camera. So here's the calculator. Turn it sideways. And if I hit 30 and sine, you'll see 0.5. Aha. So this actual value here is a half. So 10 times a half gives me my value. Half of 10 is 5. So that's how you do that. Good luck.